Hi, this is Silent Solution. Today we are another topics discuss. Today is the sudo. That's mean we are how to permit any user sudo permission. Why do you are need to sudo permission? Today say. Let's go. This is my Silent Solution. Here is Linux cloud DevOps related video. You can see and visit. I think you have many idea and many this topic. Visit my channel. You have many idea. Here is Red Hat exam preparation playlist and DevOps related tools, installation setup. Let's go. So far, sudo user is a software user. It is allow the system administrator deleting authority given the certain user and group certain users. Let's go. First of all, where here is create at DevOps. Just create where user given password stdim, then DevOps where given password. Let's go. Now where so DevOps say there pw where present or DevOps. Yeah. Just another. This is my Ubuntu machine. Here is user. Add DevOps. Sudo DevOps. Passwd dvo DevOps. So DevOps. Well, now sudo apt if updated. Updated. This is the not sudo file. Let's go. This is not sudo file here. Must be where two-way permission sudo. First of all, we will log out this user. Be sudo. Here is permission. This here is permission. Here this is group. This is a user permission. Here is a first a user and machine and command. Is a machine or is a command. That is a all group pairs. Let's go. You mode or DevOps. Will were added or will groups this user. Let's go here. It is a show dots shooters. I think now add is done. Sudo it's dpfs sudo manual db updated. Now I think it's working, but first time is not working. And whenever system server permission, that time is working hand. Let's go same where log out now. Yeah, YY and P. Just insert I and delete DVOPS DV DevOps user. Just was an exit. Let's go. DevOps. I think here sudo su now is active with update. Now sudo working here is first of all we create a user and given permission here. Just you can were two way our sudo permission here is just type here it is a sudoers sudos. I think is a normal user, that's why not working here. Log out, clear a it is a source where adjust group shooter is permission where two-way show permission here is what no when I was logging our devs. Let's go DEVOPS devos. That time is password, but let's go here It is a sudoers arrays sudo permission. Now we are need to